welcome to episode 38. So today is pretty much a part two of what we talked about fear, but now we're going to turn it around and talk about not just fear as a business owner, but also resolving other people's fears. So it could be customers, it could be your staff, or your partners, the people that are around you, right? How do you solve those problems, right? And here's some simple steps that you can take to help resolve these situations and kind of let them know, like, hey, what's going on, right? So one of the first things is really be observant, right? You have to actually notice that, hey, there's a concern, there's this thing that you're announcing, and I'm like, I don't know, I'm not sure about that. So there's a lot of body language or the way they're communicating. But so that is why internally, one of the things that we do, I'll talk more about it in a different episode, one-on-ones, really just to kind of understand, be observant, what everyone's going through and what their thoughts are. So now number two is then ask, right? It's like, hey, I noticed, you didn't feel comfortable when I mentioned that, or you're not sure about that. So it might be like, oh, hey, we're making a big change in this organization. Um, and they might disagree with that, but you also want to dig deeper a little bit and truly understand what they're concerned about. So it might be, well, actually, it might be the drive time. If we're doing 5 days a week, but my concern is because we don't get to work from home Monday or Friday. Now I have to incur more drive time, and I'm worried about my babysitter. I'm seriously making this up as I go. So then, once you understand, okay, well, it's actually the concern about the babysitter. So what if we figure out a solution to help you with the babysitter during that time, and your child is taken care of? You'll still be able to come to work, or maybe work from home during that block and adjust your schedule, right? So it's just like really addressing the fear, but sometimes the fear is the initial thoughts of the fear is just very, very top level. So you want to dig a little bit deeper onto that. And then thirdly, just be transparent, right? Just I would say be truthful, be transparent to the individuals that you talk to. Like the decisions that we make as leaders, as business owners, it has to have some sort of reason, right? A logic, so people can stand behind it. They're not so much standing just behind, your crazy ideas, but also it has to be reasonable, and they can make some sense out of it. So once you explain your side, and that way you can listen, solve their challenges, so that way they can be in alignment with you. So that makes their fears really go away. Maybe not 100%, but if you constantly do that, all their fears will eventually go away, and you can grow your organization much more efficiently and effectively. And of course, your staff and the people around you will be so much happier. So hope that helps. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please comment below if you have any questions, or have any comments on how you manage your team and solve their fears. Talk to you later. Bye.